sweet. D is for dog with happy feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog who hops all day. G is for giraffe, tall and proud. H is for hat that stands out loud. I is for igloo, icy and cool. J is for jelly that jiggles in school. K is for kite that flies so high. L is for lion with a roaring cry. M is for moon glowing so bright. N is for nest tucked in at night. O is for octopus under the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rocket that zooms around. S is for sun in the big blue sky. T is for train that rolls right by. U is for umbrella on a rainy day. V is for violin we love to play. W is for well with the water spray. Oh! Y is for yo-yo spinning low. Z is for zebra stripey from head to toe. Now we've sung our ABC. You're smart and happy, just like me.